Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoDBA. This channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge and learn to perform day-to-day activities. So in today's short video, I'm just going to discuss about how to connect Postgres database using command line prompt and this pgAdmin tool provided by Postgres itself. So this is going to be just short video. Okay, let's see how to connect to database. Okay, first of all, I'll show you using this command line prompt. I just opened this command line prompt and the command for connecting to database is psql -d, that is a database name. You can see default database name in Postgres, then hyphen capital U, that is we need to provide a username in Postgres is my username created while installing the Postgres server. So I'll provide you another link where I have discussed about installation of this Postgres server on Windows machine. I'll just going to put the password. Okay, you can see I just logged into database. You can see using -l all the database names. Okay, these are some default database provided by Postgres. So this is how you can connect to Postgres database using command line prompt. Command is psql -d, then database name -u, and then username. Okay, and to come out of this Postgres command prompt, you need to just put slash and then q. You are out of this command prompt now. Okay, now open your pgAdmin. You can just search here pgAdmin and then you can open it. I'll show you here. I open it already. This is how your default pgAdmin will look like, and you will see here your databases. Okay, I have this Postgres 10 installed on my server. Whenever you click on it, you will it will ask for password. Okay, and there is other option as well from this object tool, this connect server. Then they will ask for Postgres. Okay, as this is my own PC, I'm going to save it. All right, so here you can see the databases. Okay, this is the only database I have currently, so it's showing just one. Okay, and if you need to disconnect from this Postgres instance, then click on object here. First you need to select this one. Okay, and then disconnect from server, then click on yes. You're out of this particular Postgres instance now. So this is how you can connect and disconnect from Postgres using command line prompt and this pgAdmin tool. Okay, in subsequent videos I'm just going to discuss about how to create database, how to create tables. So stay tuned. For now this is all. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.